What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to recover deleted photos on Android. So currently here on our Android, we have some photos we'd like to delete first in order to show you how you can recover them. So here we have some photos, we're going to select on them. So say we want to delete the last 3 pictures we have from our camera feed. After selecting them, we're going to tap on delete at the top right corner and then tap on move to trash. Now on Android, photos that have been deleted can be easily found in your trash. So we're going to go back and then you're going to locate trash. For this device, you can see trash at the top right area. We're going to tap on trash and you can see the 3 pictures which we deleted just right now. So right here, if you want to restore one of them, maybe you made a mistake, you can tap on it. And then once it's selected at the bottom, you can see restore. Tap on restore again, and that photo will no longer be in the trash. When we go back, you can see we now have that photo which we deleted and recovered from our deleted photos back to our gallery. So this is how to recover deleted photos on Android.